Once again, most are grateful, sir.
I answer again.
Yes, my name is Mr. Eric Akome.
Okay, Mr. Eric.
Yes, Akome. I'm also serving in Kano State. Serving in Kano State.
Kano State.
Yes, Command.
Yes,
well.
which one?
Yes. Thank you, sir. So we come here was on Monday. So when we come here on Monday for one year that now before we now make the girl, that they now bring the girl come here. So when we come from which will not work. So when I go, I talk to my remaining colleague. We have a NGO.
Okay.
So which is a Igbo Family Foundation. So this is it. So we are many, some people in Germany, we have some people in France, Kano, Kaduna, and Katsina. So me, I normally come to Abuja always because of my family are here. Okay. So when I come, as I see the thing, I take no problem. I quickly put on call to them that we're even with one line, we should go and fix for the police station. But the next thing they have known that one is not okay. So if I'm coming, as we come with the 3 lights, and with the electrician, we come and fix it for the police station, so that the people that is security will not be in darkness.
Light up the place for
yes. So by God's grace, maybe by finishing this one, another person also will also put okay, so let me do more. So that is what I'm doing for the OC. Very
grateful. Really, I will stand with on behalf of myself and my staff, though all of them are not here.
Yes.
Some are still off duty.
Yes.
And on behalf of my video, which is I will let your message to relate to my video.
Okay.
Really, it's not I wish it's that this is best of us. Okay. I want to say we really appreciate
yes.
You are great from the Eagles, which is NGO. So please take our message to them that we really appreciate more of them. God will really bless them, and I'm sure definitely they will stand to help you. Amen. So I want to say thank you for that. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. We really appreciate you.
And we are also here with the electrician, because when we bring the light, we fix it or we mount everything for that.
As you do all together.
We do everything together. We are here with the person that will install the light for you. Yes.
So now
and
you
also
are the representative of the NGO.
We completely are the representative of the NGO. I'm a vice president of the NGO. Sorry.
And you say you're a police officer, so
yes.
Okay, you are joining.
Yes. I'm a vice president of the NGO. So if there's anything that they call me Kano, Kaduna, I'm in Kano. But if they call me everywhere, I will quickly rush to go and answer quickly and report back myself again. I'm part of this one.
Sorry,
again.
I forget to introduce myself.
Okay.
In fact, because anyway, I'm GSP to January Life.
Okay.
Yes, that is OCO, orozo out OCO.
Okay, thank you.
Sorry, I didn't introduce all this.
No problem. They also give me a message that as we come and join together and celebrate the Valentine's Day with you. That is why I come today. Because it's a lover, it's a celebration. Lovers Day for love. So that's why I'm here. So the remaining thing is inside car. I will bring it. All of us will stay there.